Bestie, hey, guess what your girl's about to do today? I'm about to get my brows done. My brows laminated for the first time ever.
My time has come.
This is a big deal for me, and I'm gonna tell you why. Because I'm very particular with my brows, and I don't really allow a lot of people to go there with me.
Stop it. Get some help.
I've been doing my brows for the past couple of years, but then I got tired of just doing it myself, and then I just handed it over to somebody else. I went to test out someone, and then they seemed okay, and then I just kind of continued with that person until I found somebody better, and that's been the flow with me getting my brows done over the years. And since brow lamination has been like a big deal these days, I wanted to try it out, see if it's something that I like, and maybe that's a new thing, that's gonna work for me. And I want to see where it goes with that. I have a good amount of faith in the person that's going to do my brows today because I actually have seen their work and what they do online. So let me not waste no more time. Let's just get straight into it so you guys can see this process, see if it's something that could work for you. And let me know in the comment section below, have you tried brow lamination? Is it something that you want to do in the future? Now let's get into it. Besties, meet Amy.
Hi.
I'll be trusting her today with doing my brow lamination. Tell me a little bit about what you do and what services that you offer.
So today we're going to do a brow lamination, which is a brow service that stretches the brow to make it straighter. So it gives a very fluffy, very natural sort of in and out look. And then I'm going to tint them. But other services I do are hybrid brows, lip blush, eyeliner, a whole bunch of things.
Awesome. Well, let's not waste no more time. Let's get into this now.
Yay.
Thank you, Amy. Yay. So with the brow lamination, I don't get like a wax or so before.
No, so you do everything first and then I clean up your brow.
Oh, okay.
So if you did the wax before, remember, like when you wax, the skin is sensitive.
Yeah.
Or a little bit of skin comes off. And then to put chemicals on top of that is just like a really bad idea. And then remember, if you waxed before, you may have used a hair that you waxed off. Because the brow lamination, remember, it gives you that sort of very fluffy look.
Yeah.
So you don't want to be taking off too much from the brow because you're trying to keep more brow than you would have if you waxed to give that fluffy look. When I ask for pictures, ready to just make sure, one, you have a brow to work with, and two, that you're a good candidate.
Does this usually sting a little bit? Or?
Yeah, you feel like a little kind of tingly, burny. Yes. Right now your hairs are sticking straight up in the air, and then after I tame them. So right now you have like a kind of wild look going on here. Remember, we're trying to stretch them.
Yeah.
So we're just stretching right now. What you would have seen on Instagram, where it's super fluffed, which is in style.
What if you want it like this, right?
It stays like that if you leave it like that.
If you leave it like that?
Yeah.
I'm gonna run.
To make it like slimmer. And same thing here.
I actually like the wildy look on you.
Yeah, I like
find
that
it
too.
looks pokey up mine as wide as this with the brow gel because I like this look.
This look. Yeah.
I find it's a look. Not everybody can pull it off.
So this is the 1 week update. This is a little bit over a week actually. As you can see, I do have some level of hair growing back there a little bit. So she did give me a spoolie and a razor for me to touch up and just make sure I brush the brows and whatnot. So I do use that. In addition to that, she did say the aftercare is that don't wash your brows for the first 24 hours of actually doing them. Right now, I don't even think I'll be washing my brows. I'll be washing around them because I want these babies to last as long as possible. So I don't really be doing the most. She did say that you would experience some level of fading with the brows, and I have noticed that. Right now, I kind of have it a little wild, but you can definitely do it more tame. Like you could, based on how you want, you could brush it down, you know, have it wild. So right now I kind of dig this look a little bit more. If I want, I can fill this in some more so that there's not much space like you're seeing right now. And for those of you who might be thinking like, damn, could I even get this done? Because my brows are, I don't know to determine if my brows are thick or semi-thick. But I would suggest contacting Amy or whoever else is gonna do your brows just to confirm first. Just see through. Just see through, and then we're gonna determine, can you do this or can you not? You know? In addition, I will be putting Amy's contacts and all her information in my description. For those that enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like. And for those that have not subscribed, subscribe. See you in the next video.